Artificial intelligence is rapidly entering the workplace, raising a crucial question. Is AI replacing jobs a truth, or is it a myth? The impact of AI on employment is complex. It's not a simple yes or no answer. AI is actively changing many roles, but not completely eliminating human workers. So what is the core answer? AI is transforming the nature of work, replacing specific tasks while simultaneously opening up new opportunities. AI should be viewed as a tool that changes how work gets done, rather than a technology that substitutes the entire human workforce. AI performs specific functions like data analysis, prediction, automation, and decision support, making it a transformer of tasks within a job. AI excels at repetitive and rule-based work, capable of performing these tasks faster and more accurately than humans, particularly in manufacturing and banking. Consider examples like AI-powered machines sorting products or detecting factory defects, or chatbots answering routine customer queries, reducing the need for human input in these routine roles. Crucially, AI replaces tasks, not entire jobs. For instance, in healthcare, AI can analyze images, but human judgment, experience, and empathy remain essential for the doctor. The impact of AI varies greatly. It depends on the nature of the tasks involved in the profession. Jobs involving repetitive and predictable tasks, like data entry, basic accounting, and assembly line work, are most susceptible to automation. Conversely, professions that require creativity, emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and complex decision-making, such as teaching, research, and leadership, are much harder to replace. AI has fundamental limitations that prevent it from fully replacing human workers in many areas. AI systems currently lack true understanding, emotions, and ethical reasoning. They operate based on data patterns, but not genuine context. A human's ability to understand complex social situations and context is irreplaceable, limiting AI's capacity to take over many professions completely. As automation increases, new types of jobs are simultaneously emerging, driven by the very technologies that cause displacement. There is growing demand for professionals like AI engineers, data scientists, machine learning specialists, and robotics technicians. Entire new industries are forming around the development, maintenance, and ethical regulation of AI and automated systems. The idea of AI completely replacing all jobs is largely a myth. The future of work is heading toward a collaborative model. AI is best described as a, quote, job transformer and an assistant. It improves productivity rather than aiming to eliminate entire workforces. Adapting to this new reality means prioritizing digital skills, problem-solving abilities, and continuous learning to thrive in the changing job market. Ultimately, the future involves humans focusing on creativity and complex decision-making, while AI efficiently handles the repetitive and data-heavy tasks.